Salesforce admin strategies for managing large datasets. Salesforce admins often must manage large datasets. These can include thousands or even millions of records. It is vital to handle such data volumes. It affects the Salesforce platform's performance and usability. The challenge is to ensure data integrity. We must improve report and dashboard performance. We need to reduce load times for users accessing the data. Optimizing data architecture. Indexing fields. Salesforce can index certain fields. It speeds up searches and queries on large datasets. Index the most used fields for searches. It will cut query times. Using lookup and master detail relationships. Use the appropriate type of relationship between objects. If relationships are needed, a lookup relationship can lighten the data. A master detail relationship can ensure data integrity. It keeps related records together. Leveraging Salesforce Data Tools. Data Loader. Use the Salesforce Data Loader for massive data tasks. These include imports, exports, updates, and deletions. It is invaluable. It allows you to manipulate large volumes of data quickly and accurately. Data Import Wizard. It's less powerful than Data Loader, but it helps non-tech users and admins who need to import data. They don't need the advanced features of Data Loader. Data Management Tools. Tools like Salesforce's Data Management Interface let you mass update, delete, or transfer records. These tools can significantly reduce the time required to manage large datasets. Implementing data validation and automation. Validation rules. Create rules to ensure data integrity. They must enforce specific conditions and formats during data entry. This prevents incorrect data from entering your system. It can be a big issue with large datasets. Duplicate management. Implement duplicate management rules to prevent or merge duplicate records. With large datasets, unmanaged duplicates can become rampant. This causes inconsistent reporting and system inefficiencies. Monitoring and improving system performance. Query performance monitoring. Use SOQL best practices to optimize queries when handling large datasets. Avoid inefficient queries. They process entire data tables. Instead, target only the required fields and records. Performance benchmarking. Regularly monitor your system's performance. Benchmark it against key metrics. These include query time, report generation time, and page load times. Conclusion. In conclusion, managing large datasets in Salesforce can be complex, but, with the right strategies, it is manageable. These strategies will help Salesforce admins. They will give users efficient systems, accurate data, and fast access to information. As Salesforce evolves, administrators must manage large datasets. This skill will be increasingly important.